What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the special edition Xbox One X NBA 2K20 edition along with Mortal Kombat 11 and Call of Duty Modern Warfare, so stick around. Welcome back, and I'd just quickly like to mention that links to all three products mentioned in today's video will be available in the video description. Now, I've been putting off getting an Xbox One for a long time, and I decided to go with the Xbox One X over the Xbox One S for several different reasons. I also chose to go with the Xbox One X over the PS4 Pro for several reasons as well that I will mention at the end of the video. Now, as you probably know, there's several different special edition Xbox Ones, and the NBA 2K 2020 edition is definitely one of the best, along with the Gears of War. So without further delay, let's go ahead and begin the unboxing and first impressions. So as you can see on the front of the box, we have the NBA 2K20 along with the picture of the console. It also says that this is the 1TB edition and features 4K Ultra HD, high dynamic range, and a 4K Blu-ray player all inside the system. So before we unbox the system itself, let's go ahead and unbox both the games. So first up we have Call of Duty Modern Warfare. The Call of Duty franchise is one of my favorite franchises out of all of them that exist. I really enjoy all the Call of Duties and I have purchased every single one. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. As you can see, it does say Call of Duty Modern Warfare on the front. It's also 4K Ultra HD capable, high dynamic range 10 video capable, Dolby Atmos capable, and features an online multiplayer mode that enables you to play with up to 20 people. Next up we got Mortal Kombat 11, which is one of my favorite fighting games ever. The front says Mortal Kombat 11. On the back it says it's Xbox One X Enhanced, has a high dynamic range, Xbox One single player or multiplayer available. Let's go ahead and quickly get the plastic off and move on to the console itself. In terms of the console itself, you can see the outer packaging says Xbox One X. Again, it's the 1TB edition. It is featuring 4K Ultra HD, high dynamic range, and 4K Blu-ray player. This also is, once again, the special edition NBA 2K20 edition. You also get 1 month free of Xbox Live Gold. So let's go ahead and cut open the packaging and lift off the outer layer. Once that outer layer of packaging is removed, you can see the actual console itself. Again, in the top left-hand corner, it does say Xbox One X. 1TB edition, 4K Ultra HD, high dynamic range, and a 4K Blu-ray player is included. On the right side it does say special edition. Cutting open the box and lifting the lid for the very first time, we're presented with booklet style packaging with 4 different things involved here. We have the Xbox One X user guide, the Xbox One X Game Pass, instructions on how to redeem your 1 month free of Xbox Live Gold, as well as your NBA 2K20 download code. Along the interior of the box is another box. And opening that box up, we're presented with a few items, one being an HDMI cord. We also have our cable to plug in the wall, an Xbox One regulatory guide, and of course we get our controller, which I have to say is an extremely nice color combination. As you can see, we have that same speckle design that we get on the console itself on the D-pad, as well as magenta buttons. On the bottom of the controller are the usual ports. We also get white triggers and white bumpers. I think this controller looks extremely clean, and also like the matte gray finish on the back. And without further delay, let's go ahead and unbox the Xbox One X itself. So pulling it out of the box, you can see we do have 2 styrofoam inserts on both sides. Let's go ahead and remove those. After removing the protective plastic and packaging from the Xbox console itself, I have to say that I'm extremely impressed with the way it looks. It has a very unique magenta and blue speckled pattern. On the front right of the console, we have the Xbox logo as well as a USB-A port. And that unique speckled pattern continues on the side of the console and again on the back as well. As you can see, the words are labeled in magenta as well. So on the back is our AV in, our HDMI out to TV, our HDMI in from satellite or cable, along with 2 USB-A ports, an infrared out port, along with a PDIF and Ethernet port. The bottom of the console has a very nice textured pattern along with 4 rubber feet to ensure no slipping around on a flat surface. Now before I wrap this video up, I wanted to go ahead and answer those 2 questions that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. One is, should you buy the Xbox One X over the Xbox One S? And the answer to that is extremely simple. If you have the budget for the Xbox One X and you also have a 4K TV, then I definitely recommend getting the Xbox One X over the Xbox One S. And the other thing that I wanted to mention is why I purchased the Xbox One X over the PS4 Pro. And the reason is that the PS4 Pro doesn't output true 4K, but rather outputs 1080p and upscales it to 4K, which in my opinion is not 4K. So the Xbox One X is truly 4K. Not only is it true 4K, but it's true 4K at 60 frames per second. You also get 12 gigabytes of GDDR5 RAM, an onboard 383-bit bus allowing for higher bandwidth, again a built-in 4K Blu-ray player, and great anti-aliasing. You also get a new vapor chamber design for the new cooling system, along with 6 teraflops of performance. So the Xbox One X is the stronger system. As I mentioned earlier, the console itself has a very unique speckled pattern. I have to say I really like it. Let me know down in the comments section below what you guys think about this particular pattern, also paired with this particular controller. I am going to start collecting these Xbox controllers, so this is one of the first ones that I'm actually going to add to my collection. Let me know what you guys think about the Xbox One X down in the comments below. As I said earlier, links to all 3 products mentioned in today's video will be available in the video description. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to drop a thumbs up down below and also subscribe to the channel to be notified of future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.